Get this wig, y'all. Get this wig. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kiana Rashida back again with another video. Before we get started, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. See, by the time this video, I'm doing another Amazon hair install. So we're gonna just make this quick and easy and snappy. So let's get straight into this video, shall we? Today I'll be doing this lovely Ombre wig, which is a 13 by 4, 180% density, and it is 20 inches. It's not even giving 20 though. It's giving 22. Maybe because I'm just short. We're gonna get straight into this video. Yeah, so let's go. So I have nails. Excuse this one. Ooh. But I have nails, so hopefully this install comes out perfect. Alright. I'm doing my ball cap method different this time because I don't feel like doing the ball cap method, cutting the lace, all that. So I'm not doing it because this wig is coming right off anyway. And I bleached it. I bleached the knots. But yeah, let's get into it.
I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much, I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light.
Y'all, I didn't even pluck it. Like, I really don't have to pluck it that much. I don't know, I just don't feel like plucking. You know, I got my tweezers, but I don't feel like plucking. Alright. So I guess I'm doing the side part because it's already giving side part.
I ain't no Julia style, this ain't no last dance, we pass it. Wait, fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey.
God damn you, Key. You didn't even cut your ear tabs off.
It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me, I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me, I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never shit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much, I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me this function. Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia style, this ain't no last dance. We pass it. Wait, fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why all the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me, I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me, I can't see.
Y'all, can we just get into that scalp? Let's see the scalp. Good bleach. Good bleach. I have my times when I bleach good, I don't bleach good, and I bleach good this time.
I lost too much, I hit my clutch and vroom. Third day, pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me this function.
You know, I wasn't gonna keep this wig on, but I think I'm gonna have to keep it on for a couple of days because I'm starting to like it. It's not even done yet. This is a definition of this is a 13 by 4. Y'all, this is not 13 by 4. This is a 13 by 6. That comes all the way back here. That's 13 by 6. 13 by 4 is supposed to be up here. Well, they made a mistake. This is some good hair. Like,
it's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind.
hold up. This hair is bomb. Hold up.
Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness. I hurt too much. I lost too much. I lost too much. I hit my clutch and vroom. Third day, pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence. Give me this function. Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. We pass it. Wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. Bitch back, calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and vroom. Third day, pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me this function. Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. We pass it. Wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never shit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and vroom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me this function. Niggas want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, way. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. Bitch back, calm down, sugar, be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never shit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and vroom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me this function. Niggas want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, way. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't wanna.
And I'm done, y'all. Excuse me. I went to the gym, so yeah. Y'all, look at this. It is so pretty. Look at that. 10 out of 10. I love this wig. So, I'm gonna tell y'all about this wig a little bit. I said it's a 13 by 4. It is a 20 inch. It's not even giving 20. It's giving 22. Drop down. Okay. It's 180% density and it's an ombre wig. And y'all, this is not giving 13 by 4. Not at all. Like, the part goes all the way back here. Literally, all the way back here. To me, that's like a 13 by 6 if it's all the way back here. Ugh, period. The lace, 10 out of 10. The only thing I don't like is the fact that the cap is large and I have a small head, so I tried to get this little bubble out, but I can't get that little bubble out because the lace is too big, but it's okay. It's alright. It's alright. The hair is so soft. It's no shedding whatsoever. No shedding. And it only took me about 3 days to get the wig, so yeah, it's giving. And I'm gonna keep this on. I was gonna go back to my clip-ins, but I'm keeping this on. Pretty. I put too much spray on it. I sprayed it like a dummy. But this here is bomb.com. Like, stop what you're doing. Pause this video. Go on Amazon and order this wig because this wig is giving. This wig is giving. I don't know why I waited so long to install this unit because I got this last week and this is like so pretty. Like, oh my god. And it's a body weight wig on top of that, y'all. It's body weight wig. But this wig is like the lace, literally, I'm not kidding. Like, I'm not lying to y'all. Like, it's like here all the way back here. Like there's so much space right here. It's so much space. Like I'm doing this. Like really, I could comb through it. Like oh my god, I love this hair. Like it's so pretty, so pretty. But should we do like a pose for the camera? Cause you know I'm going to. All right, let's do it.
Bite it, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it, like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. Get it 'cause you want, like it. Making up a dick before you bite it. This type shit heavy. Tip, 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 tip. That's when it feels to the high end. Tip, 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 tip. This type shit heavy. Tip, 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 tip. That's when it feels to the high end. Tip, 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 tip. This type shit heavy. Don't hesitate, 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 hesitate. Like it when you don't hesitate, 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 hesitate. Like it when you don't hesitate, when you like it when you don't hesitate, when you chip tip, chip tip, chip tip, chip tip. Like it when you chip tip, chip tip, chip tip. I wanna get wild. Like it when you back tip, back tip, back tip, back tip. Like it when you back tip, back tip.
Alright, so I'm about to close out this video. I'm looking at this little bubble right here. But like I said, it's only because the wig cap is large. So if you have a small head like me, you're gonna have to do a lot of maintenance to this. I mean, on top of that, I didn't braid down my hair. I just put it in a slick back ponytail, low ponytail. So maybe that's another thing. I don't know. But this hair is bomb.com. I'm telling you. 20 inches. It was only $97, I believe. And then there's a coupon on top of that, so it was less. I believe so. This wig is like everything. But that's about it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And I am out. I'm about to close out this video, so bye babies.